SpaceX reaches Milestone with 50 launches in less than 6 months. SpaceX has achieved a significant milestone, marking its 50th launch of the year, aiming to reach an ambitious goal of 148 launches within a calendar year. On Tuesday, a Falcon rocket launched 20 Starlink satellites from Vandenberg Space Force Base, including 13 direct-to-cell, DtC, capable satellites, which aim to eliminate dead zones by connecting phones to the T-Mobile network in the US. These DtC Starlink satellites, which usually take about 2 months to reach their operational orbits after health checks, will initially target areas with little to no cell signal. As more satellites are added, they will gradually expand coverage to more populated areas, similar to the initial ramp-up of the Starlink network. The launch was carried out by Booster 1063, completing its 18th mission since its debut in November 2020. This booster has now launched 13 Starlink missions, a missile warning satellite mini-constellation, a transporter mission, a OneWeb Iridium rideshare, the Sentinel-6A Michael Freilich satellite, and the DART mission. B-1063 successfully landed on the drone ship, Of Course I Still Love You, OCISLY, which had its own record turnaround time, spending just over 4 days in the port of Long Beach before this mission. With 50 launches in less than 6 months, the million-dollar question is, how many launches can SpaceX do in total for 2024? Let us know your thoughts in the comment area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Thanks for watching.